Our health for all.
Health is very important. It helps us feel good and do things we like. We need to take care of our health. First, eating good food is important. Fruits and vegetables are healthy. They make our body strong.
Junk food is not good. It can make us sick. So, choosing good food is smart choice. Second, we need to move our bodies. Doing exercises is like a fun game. Running, walking, and playing are all exercises. They make our bodies fit and strong. When we exercise, our heart and muscles become happy. So let's play and move. It's good for us. Third, we need to sleep enough. Sleep helps our bodies rest. We feel better after a good night's sleep. Fourth, we should drink water. Water is good for our bodies. It helps stay hydrated and feel good. Fifth, we need to see a doctor when we are sick. We should eat good food, exercise, sleep well, drink water, and see a doctor when needed. Taking care of our health is the secret to a happy and active life. So let's keep our health safe like a treasure.